Greetings from Svärdsön, this amazing nudist beach spot in the same named nature reserve, very close to Solsidan, a very posh neighborhood in Nacka municipality, part of Stockholm, obviously. It is 1st of June. We say welcome to the month of June, and we predict and hope for a lot of sunny days like this one. Yes, currently it is 11 a.m. and I have chose this spot because it is not blowing any wind compared to the other end on the open sea where is strong winds currently. And here it says currently it is 19 degrees Celsius, but under the sun it feels much warmer, believe me. And I also already measured the temperature of the water, the sea, and it is 17 degrees Celsius, which is 3 degrees warmer than yesterday. But yesterday I was on the open sea in Värmdö. That area of water there takes longer time to warm up. Here we have a bit of closed surface, even though it's connected to the Baltic Sea. As you can see, there are boats that can exit through a small canal. And yeah, it's time for yet another beach adventure with Chris from Svärdsön Nature Reserve. Beach day number 48 is today, and it's time now to hit the waters and go for a swim. And today I will also plan to continue my streak of 30 minutes swimming. At least I did yesterday in colder waters, 3 times 10 minutes. So I am looking forward to that. So greetings from Svärdsön, and let's then hit the beautiful sea and show you more how it looks like. But the water looks so clean. And yeah, how did I get here, you wonder? You don't see my bicycle? Yes, I took the public transport today. It was first metro, green line towards Slussen, and from Slussen there is a bit of a walk from Glasbruksgatan to take the replacement bus because the light rail is not functioning the whole way. And total travel time door to door was around 1 hour. Actually more than that, because after Solsidan, which is the station, it's around 20 minutes walk actually. But I'm here and I'm here to enjoy for sure. Okay, ooh, that's quite good actually temperature in the water. I'm not gonna lie, it feels quite warm, which means we're gonna have so much fun with swimming here in the sea. This is the sea. Don't let the flat surface fool you. This is the sea. So Chris is now ready for a swim. So ready, set, and go. Whew. Yes. Look at that. Look at that. This is paradise. I love it. Nature combined with the beautiful sea, green trees everywhere, and cliffs / rocks. I feel home. This is my home. Perfect. So yeah, this week I have 2 concerts to attend to at Gröna Lund. On Friday the 5th of June is Magnus Uggla, one of the most famous singers in Sweden. He has participated in NUDE Festival a few times but never won. And also Felicia on the National Day of Sweden, 6th of June. I plan to go on both if the weather is good. So yeah, greetings from Svärdsön. Solsidan also we can see there around, and this beautiful nature reserve. The water is so warm. I think also my thermometer is showing less than it actually is, so it might be even warmer than that. I still need to take a proper thermometer, to buy a proper thermometer. But greetings from Solsidan, Svärdsö, nudist beach spot in the beautiful nature all along here, and it's time for me to enjoy for the longer swim. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel. Beach adventures